Then finally, the third thing is you need to ask, where are they? The people that would make use of the services you have or make use of the product or the service that you're advertising or that you're promoting, where are the people? Are they on social media? Are you going to talk to them through emails? Are they on WhatsApp? Are they on Facebook? Where are they? Where do they spend their time? All right, where do they live? Do you need to walk to where they live? Are they in another church? Maybe different church from you? Do you need to change churches? All right, you have to be where the customers are. You have to be where the consumers of your solution are. Where will they be? That is exactly where you need to be. Why is that important? Because if you are somewhere else and they are somewhere else, you can scream and pay all the money that you want. Do you understand? You can add all the advert dollars that you like, increase your budget for as long as you like, perform all the calculations and all that you want to do. The only thing that you will get is no sale. All right, the only thing that you get is no sale because you are in the wrong place. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's very, very important that you understand this. You are in the wrong place. Be where they are.